Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading. Ngayon na mismo. Okay. So, hi sa lahat ng Capricorn. At itong love message or love reading ay para sa inyo. So, magpasalamat sa lahat ng Capricorn na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Sobrang appreciated. And sana patuloy niyo pong suportahan by liking this video. It really helps the channel grow. Comment na rin sa baba, lalo na kung nag-resonate ang reading. Okay. And sa mga bago nakasubaybay, sana supportahan niyo rin po ang aking channel by subscribing para mag-grow ang aking channel at marami pa akong magawang love reading para sa inyo. At para updated rin kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang videos. Sana supportahan nyo rin po by liking, sharing, and commenting below. Maraming salamat family. So ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang 8 card spread kung saan bubunot ako ng 8 cards from this deck. Okay? And then 8 cards from the other deck. Tapos interpret natin siya. Okay? So tingnan natin ano ba yung masasagap kong energy and ano yung message ng universe para sa inyo ngayong mid-May or second half of May. Alright? And just to remind everyone, as I always do in this channel, na this is a collective and general love reading, so it may or may not resonate with everyone. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Kung hindi talaga, huwag pilitin. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko nasagap yung energy ninyo. So, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Or, panoorin niyo yung mga past videos na na-post ko na baka isa doon ay mag-resonate sa inyo. Dahil ang tarot and oracle readings naman talaga ay timeless. Okay? Better yet, book up personal private reading sa akin. Nasa description box lang naman yung aking email address. Okay yun kasi mas naka-tune in at naka-align yun sa energy ninyo. Okay, sige, simulan na natin. I'll get the 5th card dahil may pa rin naman ngayon. So, what's the first card? Ooh, 3 of Cups. Okay, nice. And Ace of Cups. Alright. At least maganda yung simula, diba? So, there's so much love, happiness, abundance sa relationship ninyo. Alam mo yun, yung there's kung nagkaroon man kayo ng no contact in the recent past, medyo parang nag-rekindle yung connection. Okay, may reconciliation na nagaganap, and with the 3 of Cups here, there's a lot of celebration happening, and even the energy of, alam mo yun, being good friends. Okay, ano bang energy ng being good friends, diba? You can trust each other, you can rely on each other, you support each other when nandiyan kayo para sa isa't isa, lalo na when you need it the most. Okay, and then sharing happy memories, happy moments together. Pwedeng happy memories din from the recent, past as nag-reconcile kayo, diba? Pero there's so much love, happiness, abundance, support, and celebration in this connection with your person. Okay, so sige, sana tuloy-tuloy na magaganda ang lalabas na cards. Okay. See, Wheel of Fortune. And oh, 10 of Swords. Okay. So medyo may ending na naganap between you and your person. Okay, there was something has failed, and related siya sa something has failed to change in the relationship. Pero tignan natin ano yung maging effect niya. Kasi there's so much love and happiness, but there's also there's this supposed to be amazing change or milestone or something that's supposed to happen na hindi or naudlot or nag-fail. Pero tingnan natin. Gusto ko malaman. Huh. 1, 2, 3, 4. For sure gusto niyo rin malaman. Okay. Knight of Cups. And oh. That yung despite the love, happiness and all, yung soul level connection medyo naudlot siya. And with the Knight of Cups here. Okay, so puro kayo cups so far. So it's about the emotional level. The Knight of Cups kasi may something unexpected gesture, merong ginawa na hindi nyo talaga din ini-expect or inaasahan na magagawa ng person ninyo. And pero it's related, hindi siya sobrang negative na ano, pero ang nakikita ko dito parang ganito kasi the Knight of Cups is also something unexpected na kung sa positive siya, lalo na kung love leading siya, sa relationship and love. More on like, may proposal, for example, sana na mangyayari. Proposal to parang maging kayo officially or may engage kayo or mag-level up yung connection ninyo, pero naudlot yung next cycle or next phase ng relationship. And that's about something unexpected gesture or proposal na well, kahit di ba minsan ina-expect nyo rin naman ay sige magpropose na to or may magaganap na event, pero biglang ay hindi agad nangyari, di ba? So, it's also something parang mas delay nga lang ito or kung nag-fail man siya ngayon, parang there's still a chance for it to be materializing in the future. But for now, yeah, you have to wait and see. And with the High Priestess energy here, na there's something mysterious going on kasi. Parang let's see if marireveal siya sa reading na to. Ano yung something mysterious na related dun sa proposal na hindi natuloy. Oh, tingnan nyo, nag-double yung 10 of Swords. Yeah. Failure on making a decision. Making the right decision. Okay. So, I think yung person ninyo has actually parang nagkaroon siya ng dilemma if i-push niya tong like proposal or asking you to move to the next level. Parang pinag-isipan niya to ng matindi, medyo may dilemma siya, may mga despite the happiness and love in the beginning, nagkaroon siguro to ng fear. May fear to na rooted to some an experience in the past na baka ang nagda-download sa akin ngayon is mayroon siyang experience in the past na ganun din, na sobrang saya niya, sobrang in love niya, there's so much abundance, celebration in the connection, in the relationship. Then when he or she proposed the next level in the relationship, nasaktan siya dahil umayaw yung party. And nandun bigla yung fear na gusto niya sanang gawin yun with you. Pero um, kahit alam niyo sa inyo naman na ma-oo kayo or G kayo sa magiging proposal. And again, when it comes to proposal, hindi naman siya agad engagement, di ba? Proposal pa rin naman yung from dating to something committed. Pero, yun, this person decided otherwise kasi nga nandun yung fear and that's why it failed. So, kaya naudot siya at di siya natuloy. And every time iniisip niya yun, parang natatakot siya kasi natatakot siyang maulit yung past experience na nangyari sa kanyang life. So, kaya there's a slow growth na ngayon. Medyo may slow growth. Oh. And ito it's just not for all of you, but for some of you. This is the same gender relationship. Then, okay, so Page of Cups and Seven of Pentacles are showing na there will be kaya sabi ko kanina, naudot lang siya. Hindi siya sa hindi matutuloy na, pero may magiging delay lang. With the Seven of Pentacles here, it's a card of slow growth and a bit of delay na nagre-require for you to be patient as well. Because this Page of Cups or the fresh start it will come in as a surprise na parang, sige, may another chance to make this thing happen. Pero it requires patience because kailangan siya ng time and care. Alam mo yun, dahil nga medyo kailangan yung asikasuhin na maging lalo na if you're seeing this na and you're in this similar situation or nagre-resonate to sa inyo, you have to be more patient dahil aware na kayo na yun nga, may fear tong person ninyo. So, parang supportahan nyo lang din muna siya sa kanyang pinagdadaanan. Okay? See, everything is parang, there will be a fresh start. After this, magkakaroon ng fresh start. 2 pages na yung lumabas. See, and the Two of Wands, another decision. And here with the Page of Wands and Two of Wands, there's really a desire here to pursue this next level situation. And pero ayun, merong mga decision making din talaga na mangyari, but there's also a desire kasi to really move on to the next level on the relationship, and there's really a risk to take because again and everything will parang pag ano na to, di ba, parang there's slow growth and papakita nyo rin na okay lang yan, sinusuportan kita. I know you have this kind of fear and also conversation is very important, but it will come up as a surprise and something spontaneous na parang, uy, sige na, sige, maging tayo na. Alam mo yun, yung parang ayan, and I think your person will start to realize na fear lang yun. Hindi naman siya what will happen in the reality. And he or she has to let go and be honest, be vocal about what that fear is and be honest because he or she has to let go. And I think your person is going to do that, to let go of that fear or the past na i-project yun sa present. And with the Queen of Swords here, there will be clearer communication na kasi minsan syempre malalost ka, pero I think sooner than later papaintindi din niya sa'yo bakit and yung mga plans niya supposedly sa relationship. Kasi mahal ka naman itong person. As you can see here, happy, there's happiness and love here, and nakikita ko na masaya siya sa'yo. And gusto naman niya talaga mag-level up na yung relationship or mag-start na yung next chapter ng relationship ninyo, pero may mga fear lang siya. And see, another page. Okay, tingnan mo, page of cups din ulit. So, dalawang page of cups na yung lumabas, which means there will really be a fresh start, okay, sa relationship. See, and with the Queen of Coins here, pagbalik rin lang natin dahil siya ay walang saplot. Ayan. So with the Queen of Coins here, there will be really a lot of abundance as soon as proceed na dun sa new beginning or next phase or next chapter or next part or the new milestone sa relationship ninyo. So again, you have to be patient, okay? Kasi sabi nga nila, patience is a virtue. And the more na nakikita niya na patient ka sa kanya, the more na nawawala yung fear at the more na parang na ko-confirm din sa kanya na, okay, hindi niya ako sasaktan or hindi niya ako, hindi maulit yung experience in the past. Kasi, diba, parang ganun nga yung experience niya na in the past, parang, mahal na mahal din siya, masaya siya, sobrang ang daming celebrations, happy moments together, and in-enjoy nila yung isa't isa, pero the moment na nag-initiate siya ng next level commitment sa relationship, biglang, oops, everything went wrong. So, nagkagulo-gulo na lahat. Okay? And ayan, so continue supporting whatever energy is here in the beginning, i-sustain mo siya para yun nga, mas magkaroon siya ng confidence din na everything will work out well. Okay? At matanggal na yung fear na yun. And assure nyo rin siya na everything will be alright. Hindi ikaw, lalo na kung nagkaroon na kayo ng proper communication and conversation about it na iba ka, okay? And show it as well that you're different. And yun. Okay? So, good luck. Kaya nyo yan. And if this resonates, use this reading pa rin with discernment. Alright? And sana nakatulong itong reading na to sa inyo. Okay? And yeah. So, may mga decisions kasi dito pala din. So, itong decision na to is nag-fail na. So, there's another decision to make and go, supportan nyo lang siya. Okay? Ayun. So, kita-kits na lang muli sa susunod ko pang love reading. Ay, ako nga pala si Mystica Moreno. And, ayan, abangan nyo na lang yung next love messages ko para sa inyo. Kita-kits! Ingat!